Hey there guys, welcome to the VideomakerFX demo video. You're looking right now at the software, and as you can see, it's been remarkably simplified. But that doesn't mean you're cutting back on any power. Just look at some of the beautiful video scenes that I can add in just seconds. Okay, all I have to do is just go to add slide, and I can add all sorts of scenes into my video just like that. Okay, and these scenes are beautiful, they're well crafted, and honestly, per minute they cost normally thousands of dollars to produce if you would produce them on your own. So let me show you, let me go back to my original slide. Let me just show you how easily you can customize the text, you can customize fonts, you can customize all sorts of things to match up to your branding or to the kind of video that you want to make. And it's all just instant. A live preview is shown right here. You can pause or play this preview so you can have a clear view of what you're editing, and everything is just so intuitive in this software. Let's look at some other features here. I can easily customize my backgrounds, my different colors that I want for my slides. I can make the entire look and feel just different in just a few clicks, and I just can't say that about any other kind of software that gives you that kind of possibility in just a few clicks, literally. Let's look at some of the special animations that I can add. Okay, and again, just a few clicks and you can have beautiful animated background effects applied to your slide instantly. Okay, and that works for so many, like even call to action arrows. It's all just a mouse click away for you. Okay, there's so much possibility with this that honestly you'll have a different and unique video every time you use this, because you see these scenes here, there's over 240 of them included in the main software, and that's just incredible. There's nothing else out there that offers you that many scenes, that many pre-built, fully customizable scenes in just one software package. Okay, so everything from character videos to kinetic typography type videos. Here, let me add a whiteboard style video. Okay, sorry, a whiteboard style slide here, and this you can just customize right away. I'm going to add a photo to this right now, so the hand is going to be dragging and dropping a photo, and just like that, you have it like that. It's just designed to be so quick, okay, that, you know, even if you were to go out and find someone to do your video, by the time you're going to find that person to do your video, you're going to have the video done here in just a fraction of the time. Okay, and not to mention that, but I mean, normally it's going to cost you hundreds to thousands of dollars to make just a single video, and this software lets you make unlimited amount of videos, and there's really no limits. But you know what I mean by no limits is that there's no restrictions. You can sell or profit from these videos. There's no watermarking, there's no restrictions at all. Okay, your license allows you to do whatever you want with the video. And really, you can't say that about a lot of the other video creation services out there that put a lot of restrictions on your videos. Okay, so literally the sky is the limit with this software, and it's coming out at a very, very special price. So stay tuned, because once this comes out, you know, honestly, you're not going to have any kind of excuse to not get this, because professional and engaging videos are just going to be a few clicks away for you. And as you can see, there's all these scenes and there's all these customization options that really you can match it up to anything you want to make, and it's just instant. Everything is reflected as you do it live right here, and that's what makes it so easy. Add your own audio, add your own voice, and when you go finally to export this project, well, the rendering is going to be super quick, because it's only going to take the amount of time that it's going to take to export your video is going to be about the length of your actual video. And in some other software as well, it can take up to hours to render a video. So that's just how fast we have it going for you. So stay tuned. This software, VideomakerFX, will be launching on May 5th at 11 a.m. EST. And you'll be able to grab it at a very special price, but that won't last long at all. So I really suggest you keep an eye out, and I really look forward to seeing you on the inside once we have VideomakerFX released, and you're gonna love it.